Hello everyone! What you're about to see in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here, so don't worry, we're almost there in fixing it. If your Kia shows the message Forward Safety System Limited, Radar Blocked, don't panic. This warning usually involves the windshield camera and front radar that control automatic braking and collision prevention. If something blocks or confuses these sensors, the system limits its function and turns on the light to alert you. Many times the cause is much simpler than you might think. Dirt, or a physical obstruction. Dust, mud, snow, water, or even insects can cover the camera or radar. Some mechanics here have told me that simply cleaning the front grille and windshield made the light disappear instantly. It's like trying to see through a dirty window. Nothing is clear until it's cleaned. But if you've cleaned everything and the message is still appearing, then more serious issues need to be considered. The camera or radar could be misaligned, damaged, or even failing internally. Several mechanics have had to replace the camera or recalibrate the radar to get the system working correctly again. This shows that even if the car drives fine, the eyes of the safety system need to be perfect. Another detail many have noticed is that humidity or condensation can play tricks on you. In cold climates or after leaving the car parked overnight, water droplets inside the windshield can confuse the system. Adjusting ventilation or dehumidifying the interior helps reduce these alerts. If after cleaning and controlling humidity the warning persists, it could be an electrical issue or a problem with the control module. Loose wires, sensors sending incorrect data, or intermittent faults can make the system think something is wrong, even if everything appears physically fine. In these cases, mechanics recommend a professional scan using ADAS equipment to pinpoint the exact cause. There are even cases where the message appears after changing the battery. Disconnecting and reconnecting power can temporarily decalibrate the system. Some reports indicate that the dealership had to replace the front camera for the warning to disappear completely. This shows that it's not always just dirt. Sometimes the problem is internal to the system.